Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is supply. What do we mean by supply? Supply means the quantities of a commodity. Supply means the quantity of a commodity that a seller is willing and able to sell at different prices. Supply means the quantity of a commodity that a seller is willing and able to sell at different prices. As we know, higher is the price, higher is the quantity offered for sale. Lower is the price, lower is the quantity offered for sale. This is natural. We should make a distinction between stock and supply. What supply and stock means? Supply is here that it is the quantity of a commodity that a seller is willing and able to sell at different prices. Now what we mean by stock? Stock and supply should clearly be distinguished from each other. Supply should be carefully distinguished from stock. Stock is the total volume of a commodity which can be brought into the market. For sale at a short notice of time. Stock is the total volume of a commodity which can be bought into the market for sale at a very short space of time, at a very short notice of time. While as supply means the quantity which is actually bought. In the market. यहाँ पर हमें ख्याल रखना है सप्लाई स्टॉक उस वॉल्यूम ऑफ कमोडिटी को कहते हैं जो मार्केट में लाई जाए, लेकिन टाइम का खास ख्याल रखना है यहाँ पर फॉर शॉर्ट नोट्स. While as supply means the quantity which is actually bought into the market for sale. But for perishable and non-perishable commodities. For perishable commodities like fish and fruits, perishable commodities. Like fish and fruits. Supply and stock are the same. Because whatever is stock whatever is in stock must be disposed. The commodities which are not perishable can be held back till the prices are favorable for the sellers. The commodities which are not perishable can be held back if the prices are not favorable. If the prices are not favorable. If the prices are high, larger quantities are offered by the seller. From the stock. Therefore, stock is potential supply. Therefore, stock is potential supply. Stock and supply must be clearly distinguished from each other. As I have written, stock is the total volume of a commodity which can be brought into the market for sale at a very short notice of time. While a supply means the quantity which is actually brought into the market for sale. But this where we have perishable commodities. Perishable commodities are those commodities which can perish within a short notice of time, like as fish, like as fruits, if not covered by, if they are not covered in terms of technology. Stock and supply are same. When fish and fruits are not protected, when they are open, then supply and stock in case of these two commodities are same. Because whatever is in stock must be disposed of. ये क्या जो भी मतलब ये हमारे पास स्टॉक में है, अगर हम उसको ज्यादा से ज्यादा मतलब ये बैग करेंगे या बैग में रखेंगे, स्टॉक में रखेंगे, तो ये सारा खत्म हो जाएगा। इसलिए इन कमोडिटीज को जो सेलर्स हैं वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा बेचने की कोशिश करते हैं, और हम इसलिए कहते हैं कि स्टॉक और सप्लाई इन केस ऑफ परishable commodities remain same. Whatever is in stock must be disposed of. The commodities which are not perishable can be held back. जो दूसरी एशिया हैं, जो दूसरी कमोडिटीज हैं, जो परिश नहीं हो जाएंगी, उनको सेलर किसी मुद्दत तक अपने पास भी रख सकता है, जब तक प्राइसेस फेवरेबल नहीं होंगे उसके पास। अगर प्राइसेस फेवरेबल हैं तो वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा बेचने की कोशिश करेगा, क्योंकि उस वक्त उसका मुनाफा ज्यादा आता है। देयरफॉर जो स्टॉक है, वी कैन से दैट इट इज पोटेंशियल सप्लाई। नाउ वी विल सी supply schedule with the help of a schedule. We can learn what is supply schedule. Now we will write supply schedule. Supply schedule is a table showing various quantities of a commodity. Offered for sale. Corresponding to different prices. Corresponding to different possible prices of the commodity. We will construct a supply schedule below. Suppose our commodity is milk. We will write price per liter. Quantity of milk offered for sale. On left hand side we write price, and on right hand side we measure quantity of milk. Suppose prices are 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in rupees. Price per liter in rupees. Now quantity of milk offered for sale. Add price per liter. When price is rupees 10 per liter, the seller will supply 20. Liters of milk, suppose. When price falls from 10 to 8, the supplier will not supply 20. The supplier will not supply 20 liters of milk, but he will reduce his supply. Suppose he will supply this time 15 liters. When further prices fell from 8 to 7, he will further reduce his supply. Say it is 12. When prices further reduce, the quantity offered for sale will further fall. Let it be 10. When prices are ₹5, quantity offered for sale is 8. When prices are 4, quantity offered for sale is 6 liters. When prices are ₹3, quantity offered for sale is say 4 liters. When price is ₹2, quantity offered for sale is 2. And when price is ₹1, quantity offered for sale is 1 liter. From this table, we see that prices vary, supply varies directly with price. Supply जो है, it varies directly with price. Higher the price, higher is the quantity offered for sale. Lower is the price, lower is the quantity offered for sale. This table can be illustrated graphically. Supply schedule can be explained with the help of a diagram. On x-axis, we measure quantity offered for sale. We will write quantity offered for sale. Quantity supplied. And on y-axis, we measure the corresponding prices. This is SS curve. This SS curve represents our supply curve. This curve has a positive slope. I will write SS curve has a positive slope. It slopes upwards from left to right. Indicating that higher is the price, higher is the quantity offered for sale. फर्ज करें हम वही प्राइसेस लेते हैं 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 और क्वांटिटी ऑफर्ड फॉर सेल जो है वो 20, 1, ये मुख्तलिफ पॉइंट्स हैं। अगर हम इनको मिलाएंगे तो हम एक स्ट्रेट लाइन सप्लाई करो हासिल करेंगे। और हम जानते हैं कि जो क्वांटिटी सप्लाइड है वो एक्स एक्सिस पर मेजर की जाती है और प्राइसेस जो है वो वाई एक्सिस पर मेजर किए जाते हैं। जहां तक इस करो का ताल्लुक है, इट इज एस एस करो। एस एस डैश इज द सप्लाई करो। इट स्लोप्स अपवर्ड्स फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट, इंडिकेटिंग दैट higher is offered for sale. Higher is offered for sale at higher price and lower of a quantity of a commodity is and lower of a quantity of a commodity is offered at lower prices. There is a direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. There is a direct relationship between quantity supplied and price. Higher is the price, higher is the quantity offered for sale. Higher is the price, higher is the quantity offered for sale, and lower is the price, lower is the quantity offered for sale. This is what we mean by supply, what we mean by stock, how we can show, how we can construct a supply schedule, and afterwards how we can construct a supply curve. Tomorrow we will study the law of supply. कल जो हमारा टॉपिक होगा इंशाल्लाह, आज हमने सप्लाई देखा, सप्लाई शेड्यूल देखा, स्टॉक देखा और सप्लाई करू देखी। दूसरे क्लास में हम इंशाल्लाह लॉ ऑफ सप्लाई देखेंगे और फिर उसके बाद इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई देखेंगे। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। खुदा हाफिज।